May 23rd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here along with you. Another warm, muggy start to the day. I'll show you that in just a second. This is a look back at our highs from yesterday afternoon. Lots of 80s on the board in many spots, mainly mid-80s across the Triad viewing area, mountain areas in the 70s, and then you had a lot of mid-80s across the Charlotte metro region as well. There's the Winston-Salem State camera. A little bit of cloud cover out there this morning as we near sunrise. This is during the 5 a.m. hour. Temperature 70 degrees in Winston-Salem. Take a peek at the Dowd YMCA camera. Same deal, some clouds out there. Temperature in Charlotte 71. So it's a warm, humid start to this Wednesday morning. Fog not really an issue this morning as we had in some spots yesterday. No real widespread areas of fog to contend with here on this Wednesday. Temperatures upper 60s and lower 70s in many spots in the Carolinas this morning. It is a warm, humid start to the day. Now, this was yesterday's radar. Had these scattered showers and thunderstorms across the region. Overall, the intensity of the storms in many spots a little bit less than previous days. Now, an exception to that is up here north and east of Raleigh. Had some pretty intense thunderstorms that caused some wind damage up that way, but overall severe weather a much more limited issue yesterday. But it could be a bigger issue today as a cold front works into the region. Right now the radar is quiet for the most part. We do have these areas of showers here in the northeastern parts of Tennessee, some decaying areas of showers here up into the Virginias. And we have a cold front approaching, so take a peek here at our current winds. Well, I can't show you that, it looks like, but yeah, here we go. I think I can show you now. We'll take a look at our current winds. And notice behind the frontal boundary, you have more of a northwesterly flow of wind in Kentucky and West Virginia. But still in our region this morning, that southwesterly flow, very muggy weather setup still for today. And as this cold front advances in, the result will be some scattered showers and thunderstorms developing. So there's the high-resolution future radar. Hit and miss scattered thunderstorms developing during the heating of the day. I think in many spots about a 40 or a 50% coverage of those showers and storms. And a little better opportunity for a couple of the storms to be strong to severe. Technically, it's really just east of the Triad, the Triangle region over toward northeastern North Carolina included in that Category 1 or marginal threat of severe weather. But I really think anywhere across the Carolinas you could see a storm that produces some hail or some wind. And so that is your primary severe weather threat later this afternoon. Not a huge severe weather threat, but a couple storms could be severe with some hail and wind potential. There's your high temperatures this afternoon, warm and muggy. Now a bit of a different weather setup tomorrow behind this front. A lot of us with this more northeasterly flow in place. And so for a lot of the region, certainly the Triad, the Triangle region, the Outer Banks, northeastern North Carolina, maybe the Charlotte region too, lower humidity and a pretty much dry weather setup. There's your high temperatures Thursday. And the drier air mass will try to hold on for Friday in many spots too. So the rain chances for many of us still pretty low on Friday with high temperatures that look like that. But then, of course, we're watching the goings-on down here in the Caribbean Sea. Still disorganized showers and thunderstorms over the Caribbean Sea this morning. The National Hurricane Center gives that area about a 50% chance of development, though, as it moves up into the Gulf of Mexico over the next several days. Regardless, first of all, if it does develop, it should stay quite weak. And whether or not it becomes a classified system, it's going to pull a lot of moisture up into the southeast. So there's the water vapor imagery this morning. The really deep tropical moisture kind of shunned it off to the south of us. But here's the European computer model that precipitable water, the atmospheric moisture, begins to increase over the Gulf of Mexico tomorrow and Friday. And then that deep tropical moisture surges into the southeast as we get deeper into the holiday weekend. All right, so let me kind of show you what that means. We'll look at a couple surface charts here. Here's the GFS computer model solution for this. Now, Sunday has shown a little bit of improvement on the GFS. So if that scenario is correct, that'd be great news for the Coca-Cola 600. I'm not quite that optimistic, though, that it's going to be quite that dry Sunday. There's the European model for Sunday evening. There's still some areas of showers and storms, but we might get lucky if you have those outdoor plans Sunday and that a lot of the rain holds off until later Sunday night or Monday. Now, the Canadian's still pretty wet Sunday and certainly wet lingering into Monday. But the bottom line is here, and let me go back here. I'll show you this real quick. This is the European model for Sunday. Then you notice Monday and on into Tuesday, good rain chances. So the bottom line is, as we get deeper into the holiday weekend, those shower and storm chances are going to be increasing. All right, that's it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.